Hi, Michelle Gellis here. Frequently when I'm teaching my cosmetic acupuncture classes, people ask me if I work on my own face. And the answer is yes. So what I'm going to do today is give you a quick synopsis of some of the things that I do as an acupuncturist when I have time, usually once a week. And I'm not going to give a full demo, but just a couple of things that you can do at home to treat your own face. So one of the things that I do is I will put some intradermals in my face. See if you can see that. So the intradermals come in a little packet like this, and the tricky part for me is I can't see very well without my glasses, so I take the intradermal off of the little piece of foam, and I have a magnifying mirror, and I will put in intradermal needles in little areas on my chin, around my lips, sometimes around my eyes, or on my forehead where I'll see wrinkles start to form. And it looks like this. So you take the acupuncture needle with the intradermal on it, and you have to work quickly. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. You want to keep the needle fairly superficial so that it can help to plump up the wrinkle. One of the other things that I do is I use 1/2-inch needles in some of the other areas of my face that I want to work on, maybe right here in the orbicularis oris, to help with those sides of the mouth that tend to kind of come down. So you just put the needle right at stomach 4, and you're going to tap it in, and I will do a couple of these at various places on my face. And I'm going to take that out so I can keep talking. Once the needles are in, I will leave them in, go lay down, leave them in for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then I come back and I will use a Q-tip and remove any intradermals that I've put in. And usually have a sharps here, but I didn't bring one for the demo. And then after I'm done treating my face with needles, I will put some argan oil on my face. And a little bit under the, on my neck, and on and around and underneath my clavicle. And then I will start with the lymphatic drainage. You never want to drag the cup up or down the neck, but you can suction and release. So you just kind of turn your head to the side, and you can suction and release right down the SCM, which is this muscle right here. And then once you get to the clavicle, you go right underneath, suction and release, and relax. Then you can use the cup to stimulate different acupuncture points on the face. You can suction up towards the ear and then come back around, suction and release down the clavicle, down the SCM and underneath the clavicle. And you want to end right around lung 2, which is part of the whole lymphatic drainage. You can also use cups under the eyes very gently. You don't want to point the cup at your eyeball. You can use it above the eyes. You can go across your forehead like this. And then to end kind of the cupping, and I also do Gua Sha. So I will take the Gua Sha tools, and I like to work 2 at a time. I'll work up the jawline. I will use one tool and stimulate some acupuncture points around the face, around the eyes, Tai Yang, Yin Tong. You can use the tools and you can sculpt up towards the ears. You don't want to do Gua Sha on your throat. It's not very comfortable. You can also go down your nose. The jade is wonderful, helps with large pores. You can spread the forehead line, kind of work in there. You can work up and across your forehead, and again, temples. You can even give yourself a little massage around the temporalis, which feels really nice. And then when I'm all done with my acupuncture and my cupping and my Gua Sha, then I will either take some serum and put it on my face, and then take an Aculift derma roller, and I will gently roll on my cheeks, around my lips. I'll roll on my neck and my forehead. You never want to go inside the orbital rim, but you could just roll gently on your forehead, roll in a couple of different directions, and across your chin. And when I'm traveling and I don't want to be carrying a big bottle of serum and a derma roller with me, or if just like midday and I want to give myself a quick little touch-up, I will use either a Hydra roller or a Hydra needle, and you just squirt some serum into the bottle of the Hydra roller, and then you shake it up, and you could roll the roller right around your face, and you can roll it on your neck, or you could use the Hydra needle, which has little needles and a plunger. Same thing. You take your serum, so you're not wasting it on your hands, but you take your serum, you squirt it into the bottle, and then you put the lid on, shake it up, and just stamp it around. You can really kind of get in there to all those little areas. And that's it. That's how I do my own facial acupuncture. And that is how I treat my face. If you would like more information, more in-depth videos, you can visit my website, facialacupunctureclasses.com.